When it comes to choosing snacks for weight loss, it's best to choose ones that have high quality carbohydrates and protein. This combination ensures satiety, good blood sugar control, and lasting energy. All the snacks in this video are good choices, but some are better than others. They're ranked from the lowest to the highest number of calories, with number 10 being the highest. To determine the number of calories you need to achieve weight loss, it's best that you meet with a dietitian. Let's start with snack number 10. Coming in at number 10 is a medium apple with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This has 283 calories and 8.5 grams of protein. The calories may be high for a snack depending on your needs, especially compared to the protein it has. Peanut butter is calorically dense, and there are better options for protein sources when you're trying to lose weight. Along the same rationale, number 9 is nut butter bites. One serving has 260 calories and 11 grams of protein. This is better than the apple and peanut butter, and it contains more nutrition because it has raw oats and flax seeds, providing extra protein and fiber. Number 8 is protein donuts. At 210 calories, the calories may be high for a single snack depending on your weight loss needs. Again, it's important to meet with a dietitian to determine your needs. These donuts are really delicious though. Number 7 is Greek yogurt with a cup of fruit. This offers great nutrition, but it has 192 calories, which may be more calories than you'd want in a single snack. If that's true, what you can do is have this as part of your breakfast and add more to it to make it an actual meal. You can also eat a smaller portion of the fruit to cut back on calories. Number 6 is tuna salad with light mayo on a low-carb tortilla. This has 180 calories and has a great amount of protein at 20 grams. It's also a great source of vitamin D and will keep you energized for hours. Tied for 180 calories is number 5, 1 cup of edamame. It has 14 grams of protein. I love edamame because consuming it, along with an overall healthy diet, may reduce your risk for heart disease. Number 4 is the Whey protein smoothie. It has 170 calories and an excellent amount of protein. It's delicious and provides valuable vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. If you want to learn how to make this smoothie, as well as the protein donuts and nut butter balls, watch this video here. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you find this content useful, and also please hit the like button. That really makes a big difference. Number 3 is toasted pumpkin seeds. This has 160 calories and 8 grams of protein. They're a good source of fiber, so that helps keep you full and satisfied. Number 2 is Nutritional yeast over popcorn. This has 140 calories and 7 grams of protein. It's delicious and contains a lot of volume, so it's a very satisfying snack. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Number 1 is cottage cheese with no sugar added peaches. It has 125 calories and 13 grams of protein. The cottage cheese is high in many nutrients, including B vitamins and calcium, and the peaches are high in vitamin A and vitamin C. Thanks for joining me today. Just remember that in order to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit. This is different for each person, and a registered dietitian is the best one to determine that for you. So I highly recommend you meet with one. If you want to see another video that will help with your weight loss, click or tap the screen. Bye everyone.